Firearms Registry has no intelligence cell. They have no intel analysts, they have no trained intelligence operatives, and they haven't for a very long time. I was a senior unsworn intelligence analyst that was at Operation Talon that used to write FPOs, WPOs and everything else. I know the insides out how the system works. I know what they have up there and what they are extremely understaffed, they are extremely under the pump, and that's not having a go at them. They are doing the best they can with what they have.